the CBSE exams and the ICSE presumably will also take place, albeit in a shortened format. Now, this is very important news because there was a great deal of uncertainty about whether the exams would at all take place because of the COVID situation in the country. But here's what we know now. It's likely to be a short format examination. State boards will also be deciding on their own what exactly it is that they want to do. Now, no dates have been finalized. Other boards, as I mentioned, will take a call on whether to conduct exams or not. But the exams will take place. The format's still being decided. So that's important because there were some governments, for example, the Delhi government, which said that no, look, in this present situation, you shouldn't have exams at all. But states have been left to take their own decisions as far as the local situation is concerned. That's as far as state boards are concerned.
दिल्ली सरकार किसी भी तरह की परीक्षा कराए जाने के पक्ष में नहीं है। दिल्ली सरकार ने केंद्र सरकार को भी आज कहा, हम उनको चिट्ठी भी लिख के कहेंगे कि ये दोनों ऑप्शन परीक्षा कराने के ऑप्शन हैं, लेकिन हमारी राय में ये वक्त परीक्षा कराने का नहीं है। परीक्षा से पहले वैक्सीन की व्यवस्था करें। परीक्षा तब ली जाए जब बच्चों को वैक्सीनेशन हो जाए। परीक्षा तब ली जाए जब बच्चों को वैक्सीन की सुरक्षा दे दी जाए। ये मैंने केंद्र सरकार से रिक्वेस्ट किया है।
चर्चा इसी बात पे थी कि किस तरह से आने वाले सीबीएसई के एग्जामिनेशन को जाना है, तो हमने वही कहा है कि आपको राज्य की परिस्थिति को आपको ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा। और जिस तरह से हमारी सबसे बड़ी देश की प्राथमिकता आज ये है कि जो आज ट्रेंड जो आ रहा है वो पहला स्टैंड से आज का स्टैंड अलग है। तीसरा स्टैंड हम लोग जो बात कर रहे हैं उसके लिए भी हमें प्रिपेयर्ड होना चाहिए। उसका सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट अगर किसी पे होने वाला है तो बच्चों पे होने वाला है। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी आज टास्क फोर्स की मीटिंग ले रहे हैं जिसमें इसी पे चर्चा चल रही है। तो हमने उनको वही कहा कि हमें पूरे सुरक्षित वातावरण बच्चों को देना होगा। हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ी प्राथमिकता अगर कुछ है तो बच्चों की हेल्थ है। आज बच्चे 1.5 साल से आप सभी लोग को मालूम है कि परीक्षा की तैयारी कर रहे हैं। पेरेंट्स में कहीं ना कहीं एक संभ्रम की भावना है, तो हमें ऐसे ही कुछ सोल्यूशन पे जाना पड़ेगा जो बच्चों के हित में हो।
CBSE exam will take place. Having said that, what format that they're saying is a matter of something that the education minister will decide, but what we have been told by our sources is that it's most likely to be the short type format, so that it's multiple questions and much shorter format. But of course that formal decision will be taken on the 1st of June, where it will be officially announced. Having said that, there were a number of state boards who had their own issues, be it Delhi for one, where we have been reflecting and saying that they felt that an exam was not necessary at this stage, that let's do an aggregate. There are other state boards. That's for them to take a call on how they want to go about it and when they will hold an exam, if at all it is required, or they'll do an aggregate. That's left to various state boards. But the center has decided that it will go ahead with its exams for the CBSE, for the NEET, for the JEE and other competitive exams. So they will go ahead with that schedule as was envisaged. A formal decision on the 1st of June. What is not yet been officially announced is what type of format, but yes, most likely to be held in a short type format, and hopefully by the 5th of September, everything else would be over by then, given the kind of programming that they have envisaged, which they have disclosed to state education ministers and others.